Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an admin on WordPress website. This is very simple. I guarantee you, after watching this video, you are able to add an admin on WordPress dashboard. Now I'm logging on my WordPress dashboard. Now I need to click on user, just all user. Just click here. See, here is on user already added. So I want to add new. Just click on user. This menu, just click. Then you can see here is a username required. So I want to create username. Example, I want to write is a username. Now I want to type an email. Example of just wow. This is an email. Now if you want to write a name, is right here, but this is not required. So I'm not interested to write a name here. Then website. Just click this your website URL here. So generate password. If you want to hide this password, just click this menu. But so show you want to write your own password. This is so I want to write a password. Example of this my password. So otherwise, click on generate password. Wow. Again, I click. So I want to hide this password. Then what is rule? Just I want to give her a admin, and otherwise subscriber, contributor, author, editor. 5 roles are available here. So I want to give him administrator. Just click here. Then add a new user. Just click here. So just add click. When you click add, then this WordPress website automatically send her an email. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care.